And again, I'm on the Pashley Sovereign. It might be the last time I go out. If the weather turns bad, I'll be digging out one of the other bites that's less likely to rust. But at the moment, it's nice and clean. As I get used to the grips, they are very comfortable. The saddle isn't broken in yet, but it's still very, very comfortable. Lower gearing means I've just been able to get up this hill and the hills getting here without any issues, although if I was towing a trailer I'd need something a bit lower geared. Anyway, let's strap the GoPro on. Not decided exactly where I'm going yet. Might go up the canal, might follow the Bay Gateway and head back, or Crookaloon. Depends how I'm feeling. Looks like they've been mowing there. Churned up the mud. Good to be away from the traffic noise. Well, rude not to test it. It's quite a bumpy stretch. Though it's not a very windy day, it's probably enough to spoil the audio on this. I'm fond of these little bridges. Clear. Lots of wildlife around as well. In the hedges, can hear things moving about. This is very bumpy. Would have been better on my other Pashley, the Gaffer. Ah, big fat 2-inch tyres. Problem is it has no mud guards, so I'll end up with that skunk stripe on my back. Oh, I'm glad of this seat on this path. Although it's the middle of November, there's still flies around because I've stopped one in my mouth. Deep dry. That's my phone pinging as well. Someone will want me for something. Who needs fancy gravel bikes? Mountain bikes with the knobbly tyres. If it gets too bad, you can always get off and push. That's why they're called push bikes. but we all try not to. Not sure where that path goes. Let's explore sometime. Not today. One of the few places I can get into top gear. It's probably not fast, but it feels fast. At some point heading east to west. There's one of the first sights. The Giles statue. Not sure if you can hear me because of the wind, but one of the first sights heading this direction. Let's crack on with the ride. Try and shield from the wind again, but of course I'm heading east to west and the wind's coming from the west, rather typically. But there we go. Because the wind's in my eyes, I can't tell if this is focused properly. Here's another site. Tell you the names of all the Lakeland fells that you can see across the bay. Up at the top there, of course, nice one you see, Helvellyn and Ravens Crag. Famous Son of the Sands. Vic Reeves. No, I'm kidding. Eric Morecambe. Probably the most photographed part of Morecambe. War Memorial. That's the proposed site of the Eden project. Palm trees, that's how warm it is. Looks like the cafe's open. Mince Pie and Mulled Wine. That one's the cockles. That's me, so suitably fortified. Got to remember that. Doing it because of Christmas. Sunday, middle of November. Homeward bound. Bird is the word. Anyway, if you've watched so far, thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do for more of this and similar content. Thanks for watching, see you next time.